How come we didn't get in the turn lane?
Where are we turning?
That way?
Where are we going that way?
I'm pretty sure Westerly's still closed.
Well, if it is, we'll come back in. Two of Plymouth's finest just sitting there.
Yep. Say hello to the coppers. As you can see, pretty much the whole main drag out here is without power.
What the heck came down from there? Looks like maybe there's fence.
See, blocked in driveway. Wonder if we can figure out the source of all these power outages. Hey, look at that. Like shrubs. Oh, yeah, there's road shut down up here. So we'll have to take a right.
What makes you say that?
I don't know. Oh, because there's a hanging branch.
Yeah, but we can go around.
And there's a big one right there. The bent
Oh, yeah.
power pole.
You know, we're lucky that they did all that pruning that they've been doing. Can you imagine if they hadn't put all that money into pruning? How well did you get that down to Monica?
I'm pretty sure I did.
I didn't see it.
And if not, then I'm sure my subscribers will roast me in the comments.
Do you want me to turn back so you can see?
At least, oh, how about we take a loop down there and come back?
No, I can't go up on it.
Well, no, not up Veronica, but like, just take it like a little loop-to-loop, bang a Yui after the baseball field. And it's still howling at this point. Just everything is all over the place. Yep, some pumpkins got executed. That fence got blown down. Yep. It's actually on top of there was a branch on top of the power lines. Sorry for bad camera angles. If I'm because I'm kind of looking at stuff, not through the camera, you know. Yep, there you have it. This whole road is basically impassable. But this ain't even the best part yet. One back, quick look back down that way. Branch down. I'm gonna look for any signs of property damage. At this point, it looks more like just random chunks of debris.
It's about to change. Oh, I can't get down. That wasn't like
Yep.
that when we left, was it?
Oh, it was.
Okay. Alright, you getting here?
And here's where things get really fun. You can see about 5 to 10 trees taken down over here. Some branches back down that way, and yeah. This is what the driveway into my neighborhood looks like. More than half of these trees are all broken. So now we know why I kept hearing the sounds of trees breaking and why it was keeping me up during the night. Besides the flashing and all of the, the run-of-the-mill power flashes and all that good stuff. Let's see, there's another big tree down back behind the F building. There you can see a hardy big pine tree and a what I want to say it's a white birch tree, something like that, came down, just narrowly missing the end unit there. And then here's another big tree that came down, and there is a tree into the H building.
The side, the roots are all up. Do you want to get
Completely uprooted.
Here, I'm trying to move this way.
And you're going to quickly hop out of the vehicle. There you can see it, completely uprooted. The homeowner here, very lucky that that thing did not go careening straight through his house. And then there's another one over there. I didn't even see that one. Man, I'm so focused over here. Didn't even see that. Is it? No. Is it still not shut tight?
Oh, it might be. Just because you don't have to see it.
Yeah.
Oh, look over here too.
Might as well.
Oh, right on there. Is there a car under that?
Yes, there is. Doesn't look like any significant damage, I think. Except maybe a
Look right
dent in the
over
hood.
this.
Then here's another big tree down right here. Yep. Yeah, with all those trees down, it's not very hard to see why it is so, why the power outages are still so high. Alright. Pilgrim AS, we'll be back with more.